Are you an affiliate marketer? Are you struggling to get sales? You may have tried various kinds of ads to generate sales, but you are not getting good return on investment, right? Okay, now you want to learn and promote your affiliate offers through solo ads. Awesome. And in this video, we will talk about how to make money through solo ads and promote your affiliate offers in the right way. Hi guys, my name is Ishan. I am an IT engineer turned into a full-time digital marketer, and I would request you guys to just grab your notepads, pen and paper, and don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe my channel as well. Okay, so please watch the entire video till the end so that you will get all the information. Half information won't give you any clarity. Okay, so now let's me clear a very first thing before starting, that is what solo ads are all about. So solo ads is a type of paid advertisement that is used to drive targeted traffic to products, services, or anything that you are promoting using email traffic. The solo ad sellers get paid per click to send an email to a list of subscribers. In simple words, it is helpful for affiliate marketers, network marketers to increase their sales just by paying some nominal fee. Okay, so let's move further and discuss how you can make money through solo ads. The first point is to search for the best and reliable solo ad vendor, and it is really important. The first point is to search for an honest, reliable solo ad vendor, and as we all know that the foundation of an online business is trust, right? So before buying clicks, you should have a trusted solo ad vendors list in place, right? So that you can reach out to them whenever you really need traffic. Okay, there are multiple vendors in this industry, but one main platform that you can trust is Udemy. Okay, basically Udemy is the #1 platform which connects buyer and the solo ad vendors, so you can definitely buy solo ads from this platform. But there is one thing: before buying clicks, you need to check the reviews and the conversion rate of the vendor. Okay, the best part about Udemy is it can filter out fraudulent or spam clicks. Okay, so definitely recommending buying solo ads from Udemy so that you can always get a fresh quality traffic and can even remove or filter spam clicks. Now comes to the second point. When you are searching for a list to buy, then you must select vendor as per your niche only. Okay, just think, if your potential customer are interested in a product related to home business, MMO, or make money online niche, and you are serving them with a health related product. Okay, isn't it obvious that your email will be left ignored, or you may not get a response that you are looking for? Give the prospect what they are actually looking for. Only then they will be satisfied and they will be converted into a buyer. Okay, so according to your niche, choose the email list and target a desired customer to get the almost instant results. For example, if you are in a make money online niche, you need to find a reliable vendor who have an email list in a make money online niche only. You cannot promote your make money online offer to a health niche. Okay, remember, to make money you have to target a customer who are genuinely interested in buying your product. So no point sending an email to all the ones who are not interested. Target the desired audience only to get the best possible results. Okay, so now you have a trusted solo ad vendors in place, and you just place the order. Now what should be the next logical step, right? You must be wondering. So now it's time to test, check, and keep an eye on responses that you are getting. You cannot just sit, relax, and wait for the bank account to get filled. It is not a ideal business. You have to work for it. Even if you have bought a solo ad campaign, by doing all the research, by looking at the conversion rate, your solo ad campaign should be running in proper timing. You are getting good opt-ins. But here is the thing: you need to check yourself whether the solo ad campaign you bought is working fine or not. Are you getting good opt-ins to your capture page? Is your follow-up sequence working fine? Are you tracking the clicks and their location? These are the things that you have to figure. Okay, as if you want to make money online and you are serious about it, then you should have to strictly follow these 3 steps for your business, okay, to actually grow it well and make money while you sleep. Okay, now before ending this video, I want to add few things about solo ads and how you can actually utilize solo ad in the best way. So solo ads are not at all illegal and absolutely worth buying, as it is affordable way to build a list and to blast exposure for a product launch. Okay, so email marketing, or you can say a solo ad, is a low cost promotion technique that you can use, that can be used by anyone. Okay, so please, if you have decided that you are ready to go for a solo ads campaign, then I would request you right now to start it slow. I mean, you should start in a small number, as it will help you to invest less and see the responses. At last, I hope you found this particular video useful, and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want to invite you to join my Facebook group now. Okay, I have already added a link of my Facebook group in the description box, so go and join right now. I am looking forward to engaging with you, all the people who would join my group, and I will see you there. And make sure to subscribe my channel as well. Thank you for watching it so far. Cheers, bye bye.